this is Peter from Joomla, and today we're going to be talking about T3 version 3. This is a tutorial video made to show you how to use all the great features of T3 version 3. So let's get started. This video will show you the folder structure of T3 framework and the template developed within the framework as well. There's going to be two parts. First, the folder structure of the T3 plugin, and second, the folder structure of the template developed with the T3 version 3 framework. Now let's start with the first section of this tutorial, the folder structure of the T3 framework. From the root folder of your site, go to Plugins, System, T3. Here is the list of all folders and files of the T3 system plugin. We have folders like admin, base, includes, languages. Please keep in mind that any customization here is not recommended. You should customize your site by using files in the template folder, not in the framework. First, let's check the admin folder. Here's the folders and files inside the admin folder. All the folders and files in this admin folder are used for admin panel of the framework. Okay, now let's check the base folder. All the files and folders here are to build up the base theme. All themes of any template developed with T3 framework are based on the base theme. Or in other words, all themes are the customized theme of the original base theme. T3 version 3 integrates Bootstrap, so you can see the Bootstrap folder here. It's the complete Bootstrap package. This means everything supported by Bootstrap will also be supported in T3 version 3. As you know that Bootstrap utilizes less CSS, so you can see the less file here. It's the default of Bootstrap. You can also see another less file in the folder base. The less folder includes the less files specifically developed for T3 framework. The TPLS folder includes layout and block files for the base theme in T3. Once inside the folder HTML, you can see there are many folders of modules and components. These are the override folders of the extensions in the template. So everything inside the base can be overridden in the template. Next, the folder includes the main code to perform the functionality of the framework, like compile less to CSS, the CSS files original, and many more. Finally, the languages folder contains the language files of the plugin. The second section of this video is about the folder structure of your template developed within the T3 framework. Go to Templates, then your template name. There are two folders that we often interact with, TPLS and less. The TPLS folder contains all layout files and block files. You can add new layouts, customize any existing layouts, blocks, or make many adjustments using files inside of this folder. While the less folder contains all files that are used to develop and customize your site. These less files can be compiled to CSS files that are located in the folder CSS. The less files can be compiled in the CSS folder through the T3 version 3 framework. On another note, you should customize your site with the less files, not the CSS files. Each time you compile less to CSS, the CSS files will be overridden and all your customization files would be lost if you did it incorrectly. So make sure you compile from less to CSS. In case you want to customize your theme without using less files, you can use file custom.css. This is the last file to be loaded. You can style your site with CSS normally. This file is the last file to be loaded, and it is not overridden when you compile less to CSS. Inside the folder etc, we have a number of ini files. The ini files contain changes of layouts when you configure layouts from the back end of your site. If these files are deleted, then all changes of layouts will be lost and will be reset to the default settings. The JS folder includes the JavaScript files that are used in your site. All the fonts used in the template into the intro folder, fonts. The HTML is the special folder of Joomla. It is to override the template. This is the end of the tutorial today. Thank you for learning about the folder structure of T3 version 3 framework. We have many videos available to teach you everything you want to know on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Joomla, such as Mega Menu, Theme Magic, and Layout Customization. Have a great day and see you soon.